everybody. I am Dr. Jacqueline Jones McKinney, and I am a clinical medical psychologist. I'm here to talk to you very briefly about making good, sound decisions for yourself. Making decisions can be very difficult and very overwhelming at times. And you and I both know that sometimes everyone will not agree with your decision. But let me be very clear in saying that you must make the decision that is in your best interest. Sometimes that means it may go against the grain of what everyone else thinks you should do. But you have to know that this is going to work out better for you than staying in a situation that will make you miserable. You have to ask yourself, will I be a better person if I decide to leave or stay? Will I learn from this situation whether I stay or go? Am I doing the right thing for me and not having to belabor over something because someone else wants me to stay? Am I trying to control the situation? It's important that you take some time out for yourself to realize that it's okay to go against the grain, that everyone may not agree with you, but at the end of the day, you feel better about yourself, you feel happier, you feel free, you feel light, and you feel like the decision was made at a time that you were most calm and not upset, angry, irritable, sad, or depressed. You made the decision because you knew that it would bring out the best in you. Don't stop. Keep making decisions that make you happy.